Fifth grade into math, module 2. Understand division of whole numbers. How many people does it take? Imagine a tower of people are standing on each other's shoulders. Use this information to find the number of people you would need to reach the height of the Burj Khalifa building in Dubai. The height of this building is 2,722 feet. The distance from a person's feet to their shoulders is about 4 feet. The person on top of the tower is about 6 feet tall. How many people would you need to reach the height of the building in Dubai? Okay, so basically, what are we going to have to do first? So the whole thing is what?
2,700.
So we basically need to work backwards, right? So 2,722. And then what am I going to do with the 6 feet? No. Minus 6, right? All right, minus 6. So this becomes a 12. This becomes a 1, right? Okay, so 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring down the 1, bring down the 7, and bring down the 2. So then we have what? 2,716. Okay, then what are we going to do with the 4? We have our number, guys, 2,716. Then we're going to do what? Divide that by 4. So 4 goes into 2. No. 4 goes into 27. Minus 24. 3 left over. Bring down the 1. 4 into 31. Minus 28. 3 left over. Bring down the 6. So 4 into 36. 9 times minus 36. Nothing left over. So our answer would be 679. Right? People. Okay. But then they have what?
The person on the top.
The person on the top. So you still have to add in. So you do the 679 plus 1, which gets you 680 people. Are you ready to complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module? Represent division. Complete the table. Use counters to help. So, number of groups. So, we have 21 counters, 3 groups. So, what would be in each group? 7. 12 counters, 2 in each group. So, you'd have 6 groups. 15 counters, 5 groups. And how many would be in each one? 3. 32 counters, 4 in each group. So, you would have 8 groups. Write the first 6 non-zero multiples of these numbers. So we would start with 4. What's next? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Is that the first 6? Yes. Okay. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 48. Subtract through 4-digit numbers. Okay? Find the difference. 4 minus 6. Can we do that? No. This becomes a 14. This becomes a 9. And the 7 becomes a 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 1 or 8 is 1. And bring down the. Okay, we can't take 5 from 0, so this becomes a what? 10, the next one becomes a 9, and the 8 becomes a 7. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 7 minus 2 is 5. Next one, this first one becomes a 11. Then this becomes a 9. This becomes a 14, and this becomes a 5. 11 minus 4 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 14 minus 7 is, and bring down the, and put in our comma, 5,747. You guys have been kind of bad about putting in the commas, and then those are harder to read, right? So make sure you're putting them in. This becomes a 12. 0 becomes a, next 0 becomes a 9. And then did we have to borrow here? Yes, so it became a 2. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down the 9 and bring down the 2. This becomes a 12. This becomes a 12. This becomes a 9. And this becomes a 12 minus 6 is 12 minus 5 is 9 minus 9 is, do we need to put anything else though? No, so just 76. This becomes an 18. This becomes a 9. This becomes a 12. And this becomes a 1. 18 minus 9 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 12, sorry. 12 minus 6 is 6. And do we need to bring down anything else? No.